Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Zachary Hanshu, co-founder of SpatialGen. I'm honored to have been invited to speak today. We're going to talk about how to host and distribute Apple Immersive Video. First, we'll have an overview of the SpatialGen platform. We'll talk about different options for uploading, how we distribute videos, and options for playback. During this event, we've learned about the workflow for Apple Immersive Video. We've learned how to film, how to edit, and how to export. You have run the production marathon, and your last mile is now here. But there's some considerations. The release export from Resolve can be 3 terabytes for a 10-minute film. And the format is complex. It's unique. And if you make it through those two, cloud costs are now prohibitive. This is where SpatialGen comes in. We're designed from the ground up for spatial computing. We handle multi-terabyte files, stream unique video formats, and reduce incredible financial costs. We help our customers push quality in every way, including support for visually lossless formats like ProRes, the codec, and Resolve release exports. One indie creator on SpatialGen, who's here today somewhere in the front row, we all know who I'm roughly talking about, has over 50 terabytes of footage sitting in their spatial cloud just from bundle releases. And let's take a look at how you too can make my job harder uploading these jobs. Our free macOS app allows you to set your ProRes bundle, your AIME file, and a zip of your Final Cut zip files for upload. This will run as long as it takes to get the video to your spatial cloud. We have support for 2D videos and 3D spatial, top-bottom, side-by-side stereoscopic, and of course, while we're all here, Apple Immersive Video. We also support browser-based uploads. Simply click the upload button, tag your video's characteristics, add your audio tracks and your subtitles, and we'll handle it from there. Now, if you're worried about updates to your videos, don't be. You can edit your audio and your subtitles, adding new languages, changing them, changing the tracks later. We will, in real time, push that update to your stream so that there's never any downtime for your customers. When your video is done uploading through the app or browser, you can set your desired resolutions and bit rates, or use our auto-configured options. We also allow our developers to change resolutions and bit rates in place as well. Apple Immersive Video streams are fully automated. SpatialGen builds the dynamic metadata for your experience with our own internal parser and muxing libraries. APMP streams are automated as well. Just tag your videos on the upload page. Now, digital rights management helps prevent piracy by encrypting your streams and preventing screen recordings. Apple's FairPlay DRM is fully supported on SpatialGen. We built our own internal licensing server to keep your tech stack simple and low cost. Simply toggle DRM when you're creating a stream, and you will get Apple FairPlay security. After creating a stream, you're going to get an HLS link. Through targeting Apple Immersive Video and Apple Projected Media Profile, creators can directly distribute at stellar quality while not having to write their own video format or a custom player. SpatialGen HLS links work on your Vision Pro, in Safari, on multiple Apple platforms, and in your own apps that you can launch through the App Store. For SpatialGen developers, our API enables you to integrate the cloud into any app or website. The Publish Streams endpoint allows a creator to test their vision, test their stream many times before publish. And when it's finally ready, you click this button and it's live in your app. Now, SpatialGen is trusted by some household brands and creatives pushing the boundaries of cinema. These are just some of the experiences on the Vision Pro with the SpatialGen workflow. Explore POV is able to release videos at a regular cadence through our automated pipelines. In Rogue Labs' Flight Site app, SpatialGen is leveraged for enterprise use cases and helps provide pilots firsthand experience in flying as they sit in the cockpit over the Hollywood Hills in downtown Los Angeles. SpatialGen is also used in defense workflows. Sandwich Vision utilizes SpatialGen to test their Blackmagic camera inside a CH-53E with Captain Doan of the United States Marines. We also have a contract with the United States Air Force. And Immersive India has moved to SpatialGen to reduce costs and is debuting a set of gorgeous cultural experiences very soon. I, in particular, use this scene with the Cobra to help practice pitching investors. And SpatialGen's API powers experiences like Polio's Last Mile, where people get to be put in the heart of the fight to eradicate polio. Those were a tiny amount of experiences that I can show you today. There's a bright future with the spatial cloud, and we can't wait to reveal more soon. These experiences are made possible because our internal motto has been super, simple, streaming. We want more creators and developers to share their vision with the world. So we search for new ways to maintain the quality of the source image from rendering to playback within current formats. We use a variety of quality metrics like VMAF, which goes from 0 to 100, and 100 being perfect. I'm very proud to say that SpatialGen streams Apple Immersive Video as what we like to call a straight A provider. So we score over 90 on all major rungs. We have great updates in the pipeline that we're currently testing, and our last encoder update pushed our VMAF score up to 90 on all those rungs, even at low bit rates. For example, we went from a 68 with SpatialGen V1 to a 91 with SpatialGen V2, and this was at 30 megabits per second, a very low bit rate for Apple Immersive Video. We are also monitoring the latest releases around foveation, and these developments will be embedded into the platform. I'm sure you guys wanted an example. So let's recap. We covered how SpatialGen handles those multi-terabyte files from Resolve's bundle export, how we automate difficult stream creation processes, and we discussed easy integrations that will help you reduce cost. You can sign up for SpatialGen on our website, but you can also send us an email at contact@spatialgen.com, or you can just come talk to me after the event. Thank you.